Hello folks, in this video we'll talk about approaches to research. Although there are more than just 3 methods for research in psychology, in this video we will focus on case studies, naturalistic observation, and surveys. First up, case studies. Let's discuss case studies in the context of psychology. They are descriptions made by doctors or psychologists of people who have a psychological disorder, disease, or other condition. Case studies are useful for examining how injuries or diseases affect the brain. But the downside is that it can be hard to generalize the effects to the larger population of people. An example is Phineas Gage. Gage was known for having survived a traumatic brain injury. While working for a railroad company, he accidentally shot an iron rod through his skull and obliterated the greater part of the left frontal lobe of his brain. Gage made what appeared to be a complete recovery, except that his personality changed, causing his colleagues to state that he was no longer Gage. Unfortunately, Gage died 12 years after his injury, living only to age 37. His cause of death was epileptic seizures. If this case has piqued your curiosity, you can find Gage's skull and iron tamping rod on permanent exhibition at Harvard Medical School's Warren Anatomical Museum in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Next up, naturalistic observations. Naturalistic observation is exactly what it sounds like. A psychologist goes into nature to make observations. But in this case, we are talking about the natural environment of humans. So this would most likely involve public places like parks, restaurants, malls, and so forth. This method avoids social desirability bias, which is when participants act or say things differently because they know they're being observed. These studies also cost less, require much less paperwork for researchers, and are less obtrusive to the participants. So that creepy person at the park may actually be a psychologist doing naturalistic observation. And finally, surveys. I don't think I need to explain what a survey is, but let's talk about the benefits and drawbacks of this research method. Some benefits relate to the gathering of data, which is easier and quicker than other methods. It also has the potential to reach a lot of participants. Thus, the research findings should be more generalizable. Some drawbacks have to do with the participant selection. Did the researchers ensure that they got a diverse set of participants? If not, then generalization of the results can be an issue. But a bigger issue is the potential for social desirability bias. Do the participants give their true answers? It's hard to know.